How's it going, guys? Frank here with another DIY. In today's episode I will be working on my Mark 5 GTI. I will be changing my diverter valve, so stay tuned. So I bought this kit, which includes the revision D of the diverter valve. As you can see right here, you have here the part number if you need, and as you can see the revision is D. So we will be installing this one on my Mark 5. This is the piston one and the long lasting one, and also we will try to install also this spacer to have a little bit of venting to atmosphere. But this one is very nice. As you can see right here, you have this adjuster where you can set if you want your diverter valve to vent to the atmosphere, or if you don't, you may keep it closed, it won't vent to the atmosphere. As you can see right now, I'm opening it up, so you just need to hit this switch and voila, as you can see it's open now and you can vent to the atmosphere. And if you're tired of it, you just have to close it, as you can see, just like that, and voila, no more venting to the atmosphere. So let's go ahead and install this. So first thing you will have to do is to jack up your car, and as you can see I've already jacked up mine. So we will go under the car, and also you will need some X tools in order to unscrew the bolts from the actual diverter valve. So let's go ahead and jump under the car and change it. So here we are under the car. So as you can see, this is the turbo right here. You can probably see your downpipe comes and attached here on the turbo. So this is your diverter valve. So what we have to do is using the hex tool, unscrew it. You can see there is one here, the other there, and the other on the top. And other here on the top, and we will be good to go. So first thing that we will go ahead to do is to remove the switch. Finally I got it out, as you can see right there. Oof. It took me about 1 hour, believe me guys, 1 hour just to take it out from there, just to take out the bolts. My god, this space is so tight. I have to use a lot of maneuvers, but as you can see it's out, and I don't have good news. This is the failing part. So you have this diaphragm. Actually this sits just like this. It sits just like this, and then you have this coupler that comes in and fits and stays something like this. So this diaphragm basically needs to close this gap right here in order to allow the valve to open and close. And what happens with time, as you can see, this diaphragm gets ripped, and what happens, you don't have boost. And that was one thing with my car. I wasn't having so much boost because of DV. So let me just pick the other one to do a comparison for you guys. So yeah guys, this is a comparison between the two of them. As you can see, this is the newer revision, the revision G, and this the revision D, I'm sorry, and this was revision G that I was using. Some people say that those ones are good to hold boost longer. I mean, they hold the boost well if you do some remaps on your car, but these ones, the revision D, they last longer. So since I'm not boosting my car other than factory settings, I think it will be fine to use this one that lasts longer, because it's a daily car, so I believe that's better to have it on the car. Hey kitty. So that's right.
One very long digestive tract later.
A quick update for you guys. I did not install the spacer, because after some reading I just realized that it's not good to install a spacer on GTIs because of the recirculation system that it uses from the PCV and all this stuff. So I decided not to install. If you still want to have a clean out, it is a good idea to install an aftermarket intake instead. So I will show you how a GTI with a good aftermarket induction kit sounds. So if you are looking for a suitable sound, you should go to the induction kit instead. Stay safe. Yeah, so that's it guys. As you can see, the DV is already installed, tightened up, so I will take it for the road in order to test it out. I believe it will sound good. This thing makes a lot of difference. Man, I wasn't expecting that. Whoa, man. So that's it guys, we changed the diverter valve as you can see. So it was a very easy job, and you can do it yourself with your tools as you saw. We didn't need too much tools, just have to jack the car and take out the old one and install the new one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to leave your comment, leave your like and share it with your friends, and I see you around. Cheers.